for wonderful introduction. He has dealt with the technical part of it and also valuable contribution from Dr. Samapika Chatterjee regarding the home insemination. Now I will deal with the legal aspect and other administrative ethical issues. This is just for history. Professor Sir Robert Edwards, he was the father of test tube baby. He died on 10th April 2013. We are discussing about ART technique, so just remembering this pioneer. This already we have dealt with. The problem is infertility. Basically, it is one of the most common medical issues. It has been estimated that 15% couple all over the world is suffering from infertility. So therefore the surrogacy and other artificial reproductive techniques have come into the market. The future of childbirth in the form of test tube baby surrogate motherhood through newer technologies have introduced undreamt possibilities in the sexual arena. Ethical issues are still to be resolved. This, I think, Dr. Lahiri has dealt with that the word surrogate is rooted in Latin subrogare, to substitute, which means appointed to act in the place of the original mother. Actually, two types basically. Altruistic is basically surrogacy, not in lieu of any commercial gain. The mother can be only reimbursed for the expenses, incidental expenses. But commercial surrogacy is definitely is done with the intention of gaining money. So we are more concerned with the rising trend of commercial surrogacy, particularly in developing countries like India. This we have already dealt with. Why the couples opt for surrogacy. This is, I think, already been dealt with. No need for explanation. This is also has been dealt with by Dr. Lahiri. Now I am discussing about what are the international scenarios. We have to understand globally what is happening. In England, commercial surrogacy arrangements are not legal and prohibited by the Surrogacy Arrangements Act 1985. Surrogate mothers maintains the legal right to the child. USA, some states facilitate surrogacy and surrogacy contracts. Others simply refuse to enforce them or penalize commercial surrogacy. In USA, the laws varies from state to state. In some states it is legal, but in some states it is not. Canada, the Assisted Human Reproductive Act only permits altruistic surrogacy. No place of commercial surrogacy. Australia, all states except Tasmania, which bans all surrogacy, recognize altruistic surrogacy as legal, but arranging commercial surrogacy is a criminal offence. That is the picture in Australia. South Africa, the South African Children's Act of 2005 enabled the commissioning parents and the surrogates to have their surrogacy agreement validated by the High Court even before the fertilization. So their system is legally foolproof that before going for the surrogacy, the contract is signed, it is validated in the High Court, and everything is arranged. Then the couple and the surrogate mother goes for the surrogacy. So no legal hassle afterwards. Sweden, it is illegal for Swedish fertility clinics to make surrogate arrangements. Ukraine, married couples can legally go through gestational surrogacy in Ukraine. Russia, commercial gestational surrogacy is legal and available for willing adults. Bulgaria, previously it was not legal, now it is legal, but called it the substitute mother. They don't use the term surrogate, they use the term substitute mother in Bulgaria. Interesting, what is the status in some Asian countries? Japan, Scientific Council of Japan proposed a ban on surrogacy. Saudi Arabia, religious authorities do not allow use of surrogate mother. China, despite ban on surrogacy in 2001, it is reported that the illegal surrogacy black market is still flourishing in China. So as usual, China, in spite of no legal sanction, there is a black market of surrogacy in China. This Dr. Lahiri has already dealt with that surrogate mothers.
What is status in India?
I am discussing, coming. So any pregnancy related things also happen in surrogacy. So nothing special. And the multiple pregnancy and likelihood of operative delivery, because the number of ovum implanted that may be more to increase the rate of chance of pregnancy. So there is also consequently there is chance of multiple pregnancy and likelihood of operative delivery, and other stroke and placental abortion, complications from various drugs, hormones, premature delivery, genetic malformation, increased hospitalization of the newborn. These are all the associated risks of surrogacy. Social and psychological context of surrogacy. The commercialization of surrogacy, financial gain through surrogacy is a key push factor. Easy exploitation by agents working for commissioning parents. Secrecy and anonymity creates a negative environment within and outside families. Isolation from families. While the surrogate mother is carrying the pregnancy, she is isolated from the families and only allowed to meet her relatives during the weekends, so that creates some problem. Social stigma is still there. Surrogacy and women's right to health, Indian Senate.